Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. Fifth lesson of HTML and CSS basic course. In this course or in this video actually, we would be learning about some HTML tags which are used for formatting in the HTML page, and we will also be seeing how to set the favicon of our page. We will be just discussing what is favicon and how do we set it in our HTML page. So the first formatting element that we will be learning about today is the bold tag. The bold tag, it's a tag which is just specified by a letter B in it. So this tag will bold the text inside it, as you can see in this example as well. The text inside inside these tags has got just bold. So let us go into our IDE and let's just practice it. So I will create another file named as formatting text. So it's important that you put .html extension in the file, otherwise it won't be considered as a file as an HTML file by the browser. So right here I will create the basic boilerplate of the page and give it the title of formatting text. So next, inside the body element, I will be creating our bold tag. So as I specified earlier, it's made like this: B tag, and the text is bold. So whatever the text would be inside these B tags will get bold. So let's go live and see what is the result of it inside the browser. So see right here, this is a bold text. Let us just put a simple text as well, so that we may see a difference between both of these. This is simple text. So let's jump back. Now right here you can see that this is a simple text. It isn't the bold one, and this is the bold one. So this, after this bold tag, the next tag we will be specifying, will be reading in here, is italic tag. So this tag is specified by letter I as a tag. If you don't know what are tags and how do they work and what is the basic format of a tag, you can just refer to our previous videos. We have just discussed each and every aspect of those things in those videos. So this italic tag would italicize the text inside it. So let us see it in our editor. This is bold text, and then our italic text, this is italicized text. Pardon me if there is any sort of spelling mistake right here. This is italicized text. So as you can see right here, the B is the bold and I is italicized, and I didn't come inside on the next line, but on the same line after the previous tag, as these tags are inline tags. These tags are having the display of inline by default, which means that they will just be having width containing their text. Otherwise they won't get any sort of extra space, whereas those block display tags are just the one like this P tag, which is just a block tag, and it is just not giving any other tag to be in front of it and moving them to the next line, as it is containing the whole width of this screen. So this is the difference between block and the inline display. So we just talked about these displays in our previous videos as well. The next formatting tag that we will be discussing right now would be the subscript. Now this subscript tag, what does it do? Like I have an example right here as well. The NA2, this 2 is a subscript. So whenever you would be wanting to write such sort of equations or such form of text inside your HTML, so you would be using this sub tag. Let me write here. So let us create a basic P tag, and this P tag, as this is a block type of display in this P tag, so it will be in the next line, and in this tag I will be writing the NA, or let us take another example, CO and the sub of 2. So what it would do in here, CO will be just as our normal text inside a P tag, which is paragraph tag we just discussed in our previous videos as well. And the sub tag right here will make this 2 a subscript. Let us see in our browser. Right here you can see this is CO2, like it's written in equations, and it has become the subscript of this CO. So the next tag will be learning now is superscript, which is opposite of subscript, as you may specify by its name as well. Right in this example you can see the square of 3 and 2 is the superscript of 3. We're going to see it in here as well. So let me give some space right here, and right here I'll write 3 and it's super tag of 2, 3 square. So right here you can see these are inline tags, sub, and sub, both are inline tags. So whole of this text will be in the same line, not in the next line. So as right here you can see CO2 3 square, which is square is the super tag. So the next tag right here is the mark tag. So what does this mark tag do? So this mark tag is actually used in our web pages, like you must have seen in different blogs and other websites that the text inside their website is highlighted, like the one we do in our books, to remember that this is some sort of important note or some sort of important sentence in our paragraph. So this mark tag does that sort of job. So this right here you can see in this example the text, this is highlighted one. So let us jump into our editor and check this one as well. So I'd write mark, and this is the highlighted text, whatever the spelling is. We are just practicing it. Right here you can see this is highlighted text. So it has moved to the next line because of the P tag, and if I may make you see it, you can specify by this taking another mark tag, that this tag is also an inline display by default. So it will just take width just according to its content inside it, not according to the outer view or the parent element in it. Next, after mark tag in the line we have del tag. Now right here you can see the line through the text. If you want some sort of line through the text and you want to in your markup show a sort of element in your web page that is having strike through it, and like you must have seen in different e-commerce websites, they have a line through higher price and saying that you are saving this much of amount and a new price right there. So that is done through this del tag having a strike through. So it could be done by different ways as well. This is one way. Another way could be using CSS or JavaScript. We will be talking about them in our next courses on this channel. So after this del tag, we will be writing del tag. So if I may write $99 is the right now the price, and I may write here del $110 right here just for an example. So right here you can see how does it look. Let me take it to the next line. If you are just wanting to take the text to the next line without just making a block tag display of tag, then you can use this BR tag, which automatically inserts another line inside it. So right now you can see that our text is has moved to the next line 99 and line through the 110, because we have written this 110 inside a del tag. So the next and the last topic of this video will be the favicon. So what is a favicon? Let us go and show you some sort of examples. So right here we are in this website. If I may go into some sort of other website, so webstore.google.com. So this is the favicon inside an HTML page. So if you would be wanting to specify some sort of icon to the browser that this is the favicon you want to show this when tab is opened, so you can specify that too. So how do we do that? So this work is done inside our head tag. So inside head tag we create another tag which is link tag, and in this rel we will be writing icon, because this is an icon, and type of whatever sort of the format of your icon is. Taking the example that we just see here, image / x dash icon, we will actually be typing about different types that we can use in right here in our next courses like JavaScript course, because these are a sort of things that are really indulged into JavaScript. So for now, just get it, and right here in href I can give the href of the icon that I want to use. So for href I will just in order to take the link, we will just be giving a relative link right here. So for that I would download an image or a sort of favicon. So let us grab it from here, favicon image. Like we are just going to use this as a favicon. So let us save in our directory. So let me give it a name of test favicon. So right here, so let us go back to our editor and just give a relative pass to it, // mean in the same folder, in the same folder as we are in. So I already told you in previous video as well that we will be talking about this relative path in depth in our next videos. So for now, just take an example, and if you are practicing, then practice the way we are doing, and we'll just figure it out later in the videos that how do this relative path work if the image isn't in the same folder or in the subfolder or in a folder which is not in the same folder. So we'll just talk about all those things but later. So text favicon.jpg, this is the image path. So right now, if I may just mess with it and show you that how is our browser page right now. You may see this is the icon that is being shown before our before the title which we have specified in our tab, and the favicon is just our default that our browser would use. So this is the text for a favicon. So if I may just jump back to our browser, and you may see this is the favicon that we had just specified the path for, and it is being shown right here. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.